Hello, viewers at home. This is Mr. Kazim from Motorstolic International. I will be the graded teacher in Tenant Motorstolic. So today we are going to discuss about science, and our topic today is atmospheric electricity. Our subject is science. The topic is atmospheric electricity. What is electricity? We all know what electricity is. We know the harm that can come from electricity and so on. But this, I'm not going to talk about current electricity. I'm talking about atmospheric electricity. What is this atmospheric electricity? It's the study of electrical charges in the Earth's atmosphere. What is atmosphere? That means our weather, the environment, the clouds, and so on. If you can see from the diagram here, you can see this diagram represents cloud and this represents our building trees. So now, this atmospheric electricity normally occurs during rainy season. When we have raining, that is when rain is falling, you will see the cloud will change the phase, and you will see it will be as if the cloud is moving towards one another. Then at this upper part of the cloud, then we have a positive charges, and at the lower part of the cloud, we have a negative charges. So due to the low temperature, so this makes the droplet of the eye of the water coming from the cloud to make the cloud move towards one another. So now, due to this process, you see the cloud will move, and the positive at the upper part of the cloud and the negative at the lower part of the cloud, they will move and get in contact with one another. From there, you can see we have lightning flash. When the positive part of the cloud moves towards negative part of the cloud, a clash will occur, and you find a spark will started coming up. Like when we take a positive wire and a negative wire, when you are using it to touch one another, you will see there will be a spark that will be coming out when you are touching it with one another. The same thing that will happen when these two collide with one another. The upper part of the cloud with a positive charge and the lower part of the cloud with a negative charge collide. A spark will first occur. This spark that will occur is lightning flash. We call it what? Lightning flash. Says if an electrified cloud approaches another cloud with opposite charges, discharge of lightning occurs. Like I said, that if they get in contact with one another, so this discharge of lightning will occur. So this is lightning flash. The second one is lightning. What is this lightning? Says it's a gigantic electrical spark, discharge that occur between two charged clouds. That is, after this lightning flash occur, you will see during the rainy season, if you look into the cloud, you will see something that will come like a light that will strike, and though that is the lightning flash. So you can see from this view. Let me show you what lightning flash is. As you can see from this, so this is the lightning. The first one that I said is the lightning flash. You cannot see that one clearly because of this image, but this one is lightning. This is the one that will come up. Once this one come up, then we have this is lightning flash. I believe you can see it. If you are looking at things from home, I believe you can see this is lightning. This is lightning. It occurred during rainy season before. So then we move on. So we move on again to thunder. What is thunder? It's something that we all are aware of. Thunder, you might have been hearing the name thunder, and we have experienced it a lot, especially when rain is falling. You see a particular sound that will just come up and spark. So he said it's a deep ringing noise that we hear after the lightning flash due to the rapid expansion of the atmospheric gases which are suddenly heated by lightning. That is, before you can be able to experience thunder, a lightning must come first, because the speed of light, it is very faster than the speed of sound. So the light will occur before you can be able to experience thunder, which is the noise. So the next one is the lightning conductor. What are these lightning conductor? Though we might not be aware of it, but they really occur, and they are what? They are mounted at the upper part of our building, or any building. Let me just upper part of any building. These are the thick metal strip with a pointed upper end that fits to the top of your building. Example, from this you can see from mosques, you will see from churches, you will see from houses, different places they can be mounted, but they will be of a metal. It can be in form of design anyway. In church it can be in form of a cross, but it will be of a metal strip. But in mosque it can be in form of a moon, a cut moon. What am I saying in essence? Let me just fit for you to see the lightning conductors. Yeah, these are part of the lightning conductor. You can see this one, it is mounted. It is mounted in our pole, our electrical pole. It is one of the lightning conductor. So you can see another one. Electrical pole as well. You can see it is mounted there. You can see this one. It is mounted at the top of our transmitting tower. This one, the pole that we normally use for our communication tower. It is mounted. Although it is in form of a design, but it is not designed. It is this for the lightning not to be able to cause damages to us. That is why it is mounted. So this one we attract the electricity that is coming from the cloud, so that it will not harm our house or our building. Next one, so you can see in the mosque. Although it is in form of a design, but it is not designed. It is of a metal strip, so this one can be able to protect our building. So once the spark occur in the sky, so this one will take the electric down to the head. The next one, yeah, on top of the house, you can see sometimes our area, you can see it's on top of our houses. You can find it there. The next one, yeah, on top of the church, you can see it can be in form of a cross. So this is what they call lightning conductor. So I believe you enjoyed today's topic. So thank you very much for your time. We will meet in the next video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Thank you.